Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EASYBET. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T&Cs apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. FANS Wethu TV, it's the Petway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Polokwane City 0. I'm joined by the best coach in SA.
Still grand.
I'm not.
Still before again, I appreciate what it. Some of the things, still, you are not even aware how people love you this much.
Yeah.
So when you get such love, hey, I get touched, man.
Yeah.
But let's get into it, still.
Sharp, coach.
I remember when Polokwane City was number 3rd.
Yeah.
People said, no, maybe the coach needs a bigger team.
Sure.
It's always easy to start the season well, but the most important thing is how you finish the race.
Hey.
You can start the race as number 2, but if you're gonna finish the race as number 5, we all forget about what you have done in the first leg.
Yeah.
But we cannot discredit him. Polokwane City is doing well.
Yes.
If you look at where they are, I mean, they're in the top 5 team.
Yes.
So, but for me, I think today they came to the game for a draw.
Yeah.
There's a time where I think it was 8 minutes remaining, and I saw the coach raising to the keeper, it's 8 minutes, relax the time.
Sure.
Still, there's no better loss in football.
Okay.
A loss is a loss. We play for 3 points.
Exactly.
And there's 3 results. There's a draw, there's a lose, there's a win, which Pirates managed to do.
Yeah.
So my plea to him is he must not change how he plays. We know him as an attacking coach.
Yes.
Hence why we saw Apolisi playing extremely well. But lately Apolisi looks like he's dropping.
Yes.
Because the team is not playing to its best potential.
Yeah.
So just something that I would love to pass to Polokwane City coach. Coach, keep playing attacking football, whether you're playing Pirates or who. Go. I mean, where Polokwane City is, there's no way that they can go to relegation.
Coach.
But let's get into Bagane, Steve.
Okay.
Tibo, there's 2 changes that came into the lineup, which was very, very, I don't want to say disturbing, but it was a surprise to see Hoto on the bench.
Dion
Hoto starting from the bench, having Paseka Mark.
Yeah.
I remember what I told you. He might be short as you, Steve.
Yes.
But you can hardly beat him aerial.
Compute.
Never, Steve. There's too many games that I've watched. He hardly gets beaten aerial, you see. And then you go into CBC. Steve, I want to show you the importance of Mbogazi in the team. TLB. Because they trust him that much,
Sure.
CVC has the courage to move up and leave him alone at the back.
Hey.
Now that alone tells you that the youngster title, we need to start removing it away from Mbogazi. Because if we keep on calling him youngster, we might bring him down. He's an Orlando Pirates player. He deserves to be in the starting lineup, and that's it.
Senior player.
I mean, if his players trust him that much, who are we outside to be calling him a youngster?
As fans.
You see, I think that's one thing that we must just see, because I saw in most cases, I don't know if you have picked it up, in most cases when Pirates wants to play or wants to keep the ball, they pass it to Mbogazi. Kenai Hatang Stiwa M. Look at how technically good he is. The weight of the pass. Straight. And this goes back to I don't remember that guy's name, who said Mbogazi can't play. Pirates is a transitional team.
Yes.
Pirates doesn't play tiki-taka like what Sundowns used to do. Pirates doesn't keep the ball. We play on transition.
Sure.
But Mbogazi, because he's technically well, he knows how to play those balls long.
Exactly.
So CBC has done well. Van Rooyen, our right back. Still, I don't understand how coaches coach.
Sure.
Polokwane City should have seen very early. Pirates came to attack on our right side, on their left side.
Yes.
What they did, Van Rooyen would underlap. When he underlaps, he drags the left back way inside.
Okay.
Manqoba drops. When he drops, they open space behind. If you look at first half, all the balls came which side? Side Yankot. All the balls we almost got from side Yankot. As a coach, you need to be able to identify such moments very early. Because if a player is underlapping, meaning he's coming inside the field, then they push Unkota to go on the line. When he goes wide, what Manqoba does, and that's the importance of Manqoba. When he drops in, what happens? The centre backs follows him, and that's where Pirates was trying to capitalize. Look at the free kick we got before the goal. Where did it happen? The same side. It's just that on the second half. The same side. Pirates played the same way. We are going to attack them on that side because of Mngqithi.
Because of my second wake.
That's what he should have done, Steve.
Yeah,
Yeah, and then Umbata and Bankaula, Steve. I feel maybe the traveling is taking its toll.
Yes.
Well, it's not an excuse.
Yes.
We've got a team that is good enough to come and compete, Steve.
Yes.
Yeah, so there's not much wrong that they did. I think they played well. I just want to address, before we go to Tito.
Sure.
Steve, remember what I said about Relay?
What's saying, coach?
Relay ke plan ya Pagani ya Meuti.
Yeah.
When we need a goal, we call Relay. Look at how many fouls Relay drawn during the game. Today. Because Polokwane City knows, or the danger man is who? Relay Wuhile Mufukeng. You see. So hence why I still don't agree when you say Relay Mufukeng must go to B team. But I'll be proven wrong as time goes. I think the boy's matured enough.
Very mature.
For a boy to be playing this long, not even getting injured, it means he does not get contact too much.
Okay.
He knows how to read the space.
Yeah.
And when he gets to the space, if he needs to take you 1v1, he takes you 1v1. Now let's get to Tito Maswangai.
Sharp, coach.
It was a surprise for me as well to see Tito start him because he hasn't been playing.
Yes.
But now you look at the games that are coming for Pirates.
Sure.
Are we gonna need him? Definitely.
Yes.
It's a definite, it's a fact.
Yes.
We are playing on Tuesday. We are playing semi-final as well.
Yeah.
And there's a huge chance that Pirates might go to the final in the CAF Champions League.
That's right.
You get me? So you need your best players as fit as possible.
Definitely.
So for fans to be booing Tito, for me this is not the right time. When Tito was at his high, everyone was praising him.
Yes.
When he's at his low, we don't boo him. That's when we need him the most. He needs us more than anything now.
Yeah.
When Tito is not doing well, he needs us Orlando Pirates fans to bring back the Tito that we know.
Yes,
we
definitely.
don't know what is happening.
Yeah.
Because if we're gonna kill him here, Tuesday Relay can't play or something happens, we're gonna be starting to call who? Tito Maswangai.
Yeah.
Steve, they're saying class is permanent.
Sure.
I've told you, Mudiwa, he cannot go a bad player over a week. We know what Tito is capable of doing.
Yes.
Yes, currently he's not on his top form.
Sure.
But that doesn't mean we should be booing Tito.
It's not a bad play.
It's unacceptable for our supporters.
That's why.
See, and then let's just address your coach, Steve.
The elephant in the room.
The elephant in the room.
Hey.
He has done well, Steve.
Yeah.
He came.
Yeah.
Even his first interview, he said it. He's gonna stay 3 years.
We chill off from the start.
Even the previous team that he was at, he stayed his 3 years. After 3 years, he left. They say the good dancer knows when to
leave the stage. Yes. Yeah.
He has done. You see how much we love him right now. Remember, I'm gonna still say that. I told you he's not my favorite coach.
Yes.
But he's the best coach to ever grace Orlando Pirates, according to stats.
Definitely.
You see.
Definitely.
But now my question comes: if he leaves, because he's definitely not going to win the league.
Sure.
Is he still the best? If you compare him versus Rudy Kroll. But the guy has done extremely well. Jose Rivero has done extremely well. He has brought pride and hope back in the team.
Yes.
So let's wish him well. I mean, he's a father after all, Steve. Let's put football aside. He's a father.
Yeah.
He's a husband.
Yes.
He's got family in Spain. Let him live while we still love him.
Yes.
Now, who do we bring in?
That's the $1 million question.
Pirates fans, we tend to forget very fast.
Yeah.
At Spain,
sure.
There's a coach that we brought from Spain, remember, to come and assist the very same
Jose
Rivero.
Yeah.
Why would we not put him at the
head coach?
You'll never know.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't be surprised if he leads the team.
Sure.
But I hear rumor has it that Pizzo might come.
Coach Pizzo.
For me, if you were to give me and say who would you sign now,
sure,
I'd say Manqoba, and I'll tell you why.
Manqoba Mngqithi.
Yeah. Pizzo, if we want somebody who's going to build a project for Pirates for decades, that's Pizzo.
Sure.
That's exactly what he has done where?
Sundowns.
Decades.
Yes.
Everybody who comes in comes on a foundation that is well built. You just move on with it.
Yeah.
If we want pizza, let's do that.
Sure.
If we want to build for decades.
Yeah.
But Manqoba, what he does, remember the same football that Manqoba wanted to play at Sundowns.
Sure.
That's the same football that Pirates is currently playing. People are saying no, but Manqoba is not gonna allow Tito. If I'm at Pirates, you see I'm wearing Pirates.
Sure.
I'm playing against Sundowns.
Sure.
I can't now say no. Cardoso is Rivero. Who's that? Kasongo is going to dribble and no.
Hey.
I have to say something just to destabilize the other side.
That's what I call.
For me, I think I agree. I wanted Tammy to be here.
Hey.
I think Manqoba. If Manqoba comes in now,
Sure.
I'm telling you, next season we are going to be champions.
Coach.
Arikwale.
Thank you, coach.